Which president had an electrical horse installed in the White House? The answer is President Calvin Coolidge. President Calvin Coolidge had an electrical horse installed in the White House.
Hi, thank you so much for being part of this video. If you find this video is really helpful, you got to support us by clicking on this like button and share it to your friend. And of course, you need to subscribe in this channel by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on this ring button to get notified for every video we upload on YouTube. And if you have any question or you want to just say thanks to us, just click on this comment section and you can say whatever you want and click in comment. I think that's all of it. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next tutorial. Bye bye.